The occupation of Zimbabwe. Occupation. We are talking about the colonization of Zimbabwe. The person responsible for the occupation of Zimbabwe was known as Cecil John Rhodes. Cecil John Rhodes. Cecil John Rhodes came to Africa when he was 17 years old. He had a lung problem and he was advised by his doctors to come to Africa. Why? It is because in Africa there was clean and warm atmosphere. During this particular period of time in Europe, as a result of industrialization, a number of people were affected by the pollution, the air that was emitted as a result of these industries and factories that were fast growing in Britain. One of the people who was affected by the pollution, by factories and industries that were polluting, was known as Cecil John Rhodes. He came to Africa when he was 17 years old, like what I said, and he began to stay in South Africa with his brother Herbert. His brother was known as Herbert. Herbert, he was a cotton grower. He used to grow cotton and he stayed at a place in South Africa that was known as Natal. He was in Natal. So he began to stay with his brother. So as he was staying with his brother, one of the days in 1867, in 1868, diamonds were discovered at Kimberley and he joined. As he joined, he was so fortunate. Why? It is because he was in a position of extracting a number of minerals, a number of diamonds, and instantly he became wealthy. So he became wealthy as a result of diamonds that were discovered at Kimberley in 1867, 1868. So when he discovered these diamonds, he now wanted to use his minerals to occupy Africa from Cape to Cairo. Cape is in South Africa, then Cairo is in Egypt. Cairo, it is the capital of Egypt. What does this mean? It means that Rhodes wanted to occupy the whole of Africa. One day, when Rhodes was sleeping with his friend Jameson, Star Leander Jameson, he had a dream. What did he dream of? He dreamed of occupying Africa from Cape to Cairo. He wanted Britain to have influence in a number of colonies, in a number of states in Africa. This dream is not commonly known as Rhodes' dream of occupying Africa from Cape to Cairo.